Steamed translucent dumplings. A side dish from Hong Kong. Serves 8. You will need 19 ingredients. Step 1. Can be prepared entirely in advance and reheated a few minutes before serving. Step 2. Roll out the wrappers as thin as possible, otherwise they come out rubbery. Step 3. Cover mushrooms in warm water for 20 minutes. Cut off the stems at the base and discard them. Finely mince the caps. Step 4. Toss the shrimp with salt and let them stand 10 minutes. Rinse well with cold water, pat dry thoroughly. Coarsely mince. Step 5. Preheat the wok. When hot, add the peanut oil, add the mushrooms, shrimps, pork, bamboo shoots, water chestnuts, and half the green onions. Stir fry until the pork turns white. Step 6. Season with the sugar. Remove the mixture to a shallow plate and mix in the remaining green onion, the cornstarch and chicken stock in a small bowl. Allow the filling to mix until smooth, then refrigerate it until needed. Stir fry for almost 2 cups of filling. Step 7. Prepare the wheat starch wrapper dough. Pinch off 1-inch balls of dough. Lightly oil the ball and flatten it into a thin 3.5-inch circle. An oiled Chinese cleaver is traditionally used. However, a tortilla press or a teaspoon of filling in the center of the circle. Fold it in half and pinch the edges to seal the filling inside. Repeat with remaining dough and filling. Step 9. Place dumplings on a lightly oiled bamboo steamer. Steam over boiling water for 3 minutes. Step 10. Serve hot, dipped in light soy sauce and Chinese mustard. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.